Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxings. So last month was my first month getting Boxycharm Premium, and I did unbox both of them in the same video. But this month I kind of do want to do it separate, just because if I'm being 100% honest with you, that's two different videos. So I am going to unbox them separately. Now I also wanted to do a try-on style, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do that this month. But hopefully I'm able to test out these products in a future video and then let you know what I think about them. But if not, next month will be a try-on style for sure. Alright guys, so I really don't want to hold you up too much on the introduction, so let's just get into the unboxing. If you're new here, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I'm so grateful that you decided to click this video. And if you happen to like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you happen to like me, then definitely click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way YouTube can notify you every single time I upload. And now let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so one thing I want to mention before I start is I do not have a card in my Boxycharm. I do know how much the items are because Boxycharm did email me my personal card. Now I did watch a couple unboxings where they said they didn't have a card as well. Someone else told me they basically got an email of all the different choices and the prices, and they had to look through each item to see which one they got. But thankfully, when they emailed me, they just emailed me my card, which I had like number 44 on the bottom. Now the only thing is I'm just going to put the prices on the screen because I don't want to keep on going to my phone and then telling you, because I'm like on a little time limit. It's currently 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. So we're just gonna get into the unboxing. I will leave the prices of each item on the screen as well as the total amount of the box at the end of the video. So let's get started. So the first thing I got, which I'm pretty excited about because I did get a little small sample from Ipsy and I just really enjoyed it. It was the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Now this comes with 28 pads. Now I was thinking it's kind of small, but you know what, this retails for I think $16. So 28 pads for $16 is not that bad. It has a 12-month shelf life. It comes with the plastic seal, so I'm not going to open it yet. Probably gonna open it soon just because I want to use this after I take my makeup off because I really do enjoy these. But I definitely think this is something that I will repurchase again just because of the fact that it's only $16. I never even thought to look at the price before, but knowing that it's only $16, I could see me picking this up because I really did enjoy it. This next item is from Queen, and I never heard of this brand. I don't even know if I'm saying it right because it's a V instead of an U, but it is just a liquid lipstick. And honestly, I am going to take this out and just put it in a giveaway. It is a really beautiful shade, and I kind of didn't want to like declutter things already and put them in giveaways because I wanted to do like a whole video at the end of the year of every single makeup item I got for Boxycharm. But I'm not going to use this, and I have a bunch of lipsticks this shade, so I'd rather just give it away in a giveaway. That way, you know, someone can actually love it, appreciate it, and that's that. So it's not in my collection sitting here like every other lipstick that I have. So the next item that I got in my box is the Alamar brush set. So these are new brushes that just came out. They're really soft, really pretty. It is reflective. This is the complexion brush. It has like a little angle right here. This one is the brightening brush, which was perfect for the under eye. And then this one is the bronzer brush. And this one looks really interesting because it has like little bumps here. As I said before, I will leave the price on the screen. I really do enjoy getting brushes. Like, I haven't bought brushes in a really long time. And I'm kind of cheap with brushes too. I usually get them off of Amazon, but they have some awesome ones from Amazon. So I always feel happy when I do get brushes because I don't have to pay for it. And it's always good to get a new brush here and there. Like brushes, I felt like I went through a phase where I I really wanted to buy them and I got excited, but now I really don't get excited for them anymore. So I'm glad I got this in my box. So the next item that I got is from Salon de London, and it is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So now I remember I got the Extraordinary Setting Powder from Salon de London in my Ipsy bag, and I still haven't used it. This is what the powder looks like. It's brand new. The top is very reflective, so I don't want to show it to you. But it does have the seal. Now the top, it's pretty and all, but now it just has my fingerprints all over it. I really want to try this out just because it says it's a coconut setting powder, but it does say that it will leave like a matte finish. And I have dry skin, and I really need to just face the fact that I don't always like to set with a loose powder, and I don't want something that's going to leave me feeling so dry. Like even now, like I'm not even dewy, like I don't know. But I think I'm going to hold on to it until like the summertime. It does have an 18-month shelf life, and I haven't opened it yet, but I think I want to test it out more in the summertime because, you know, that's when I get a little bit kind of more oily but still dry, and that way I can at least, you know, test it out more. But who knows, I might try to use it whenever I do another full face of new makeup, just because it is new. But then again, I do have a bunch of setting powders in my collection. I need to really realize that I barely use setting powders, and it's time to let some go. And the last item is actually an item that I picked, and it is from Kate Somerville, and it is the Biomimicking Pesticide Smooth and Firm. I believe this retailed for like $98 or $100 or something like that. So her brand is very expensive, and I remember it had like the exfoliate thing, and it was super pricey, and I got it in like one of the Sephora skincare favorite set things. So when I seen this, of course, I don't remember what the other choice was, but I think it was the Iconic London Big palette, and I didn't need any more palettes, so I got this, and I can't wait to test it out. I remember liking the other thing that I tried from her brand, and it's just a brand that I won't go out my way to buy just because I'm cheap. So I'm always happy when I could get some good skincare in my Boxycharm box. Okay guys, so that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing. Now I feel like this video went pretty quickly, but then again, I am just showing you the items and I didn't test anything out, and I am just unboxing one box. I feel like I'm more excited for these pads and then this skincare item as well as the brushes, but the powder and the lipstick, I'm just like, you know, it's okay. The lipstick, as I mentioned before, I will put it in a box for like a future giveaway. That's basically it. That's everything I got. I didn't purchase anything in the pop-up thing. I rarely ever do. But that is going to go ahead and complete this video. As I mentioned, I will leave the total amount of the box on the screen just because I don't have a card and I don't want to keep going to my email. But that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.